Good morning, children. Today we are going to take up the new chapter from your grammar book, that is chapter 13, possessive pronoun. Now, though it's a new chapter, but it is connected with chapter number 8, that is pronouns, and it is another kind of pronoun. Till now, we have discussed demonstrative pronouns, personal pronouns, and interrogative pronouns. And today, the new kind of pronoun is possessive pronoun. So, before understanding the meaning of possessive pronoun, let's just recall the possessive adjectives, right? The possessive adjectives, first of all, so that it will be easier for you to understand the possessive pronouns. Now, just look at these sentences. This is my book, that is your dog, that is his bicycle, that is her purse, this is our school, that is their house. So if you just go through these sentences, what you can find in common is that जो words रेड कलर में दिए हुए हैं, the words which are red in color, इन सभी words के आगे there is one noun. Okay, if we talk about sentence number 1, this is my book, my book. Sentence number 2, your dog. Number 3, his bicycle. Number 4, her purse. Number 5, our school. And number 6, their house. Right? So if you just take a look at these particular words, my, your, his, her, our, their, इनके आगे nouns दिए हुए हैं. That is why these words become possessive adjectives. Okay, इन words के आगे nouns हैं and we know that adjectives होने के लिए इनके आगे nouns होने ज़रूरी हैं. So these are possessive adjectives. So what is the meaning of possessive adjective? They tell us about the possession. Okay, the words above in red color show the possession. Possession means बताते हैं कि ओनर कौन है किसी चीज़ का. ओके, पोजेशन मीन्स कि कोई चीज़ किसको बिलोंग करती है, किसकी है. माई बुक, मेरी किताब. योर डॉग, आपका डॉग. हिज बाईसाइकिल, उस लड़के का साइकिल. हर पर्स, उस लड़की का पर्स. सो दिस इज़ द वे हम बता सकते हैं कि कोई चीज़ किसकी है. नाउ क्योंकि इनके आगे नाउन्स दिए हुए हैं, दैट इज़ वाई दीज वर्ड्स आर द possessive adjectives. Okay, so now we'll move ahead. Here we have two sets of sentences and we are going to compare among the possessive adjectives and the possessive pronouns. So towards the left side you can have a look at the table which says possessive adjective, and towards the right side you can see the sentences which contain possessive pronoun. All right, let me just read them out one by one. That is my book. अब क्योंकि ये possessive adjective है, that is my book, ये बता रहा है कि मेरी बुक है. बट जब हमने my को कन्वर्ट किया mine में, तो ये बन गया possessive pronoun. क्या बना? That book is mine. Okay, my से mine बना और it is that book is mine. तो जब ये my book से is mine में कन्वर्ट हो गया तो ये possessive adjective से possessive pronoun बन गया. As you can see कि mine के आगे कोई भी noun नहीं है. ओके, हमने my को जो कि possessive adjective है उसे possessive pronoun में कन्वर्ट कर दिया. सो my से क्या बन जाएगा? mine. राइट, और mine के आगे there is no noun. So this is how हमने possessive adjective से possessive pronoun में conversion कर दिया. Similarly, if we can take a look on the second sentence, that is your dog. Your dog means वो आपका dog है. तो इसको जब हम convert करेंगे, so your से it will become yours. That dog is yours. Third is that is his bicycle. So if we convert it, it becomes that bicycle is his. तो his का his ही रहता है because already there is an s. Then is that is her purse. So that purse is hers. So her से hers बन गया. That is our school. That school is ours. That is their house. That house is theirs. Okay, so जब हमने possessive adjective को convert किया possessive pronoun में तो क्या बन जाएगा? My, mine, your, yours, his, her, hers, our, ours, their, theirs. Okay, so as you can see, when we talked about possessive adjective, noun is placed after द अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स, जो भी ये अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स हैं, माई, योर, हिज, हर, आवर, देयर, इनके बाद नाउन है. ओके, एंड व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट possessive pronoun, noun is not placed after the underlined words. नाउन जो है वो अंडरलाइंड वर्ड्स के बाद में नहीं है. दैट इज़ वाई ये एक possessive pronoun है. ओके, pronoun है इसलिए समझ में आ रहा है क्योंकि नाउन नहीं है. possessive कैसे है? possessive मीन्स कि वो चीज़ जो हमें बताए कि कोई चीज़ किसकी है, ऐसे वर्ड्स जो हमें बताते हैं कि वो चीज़ किसको बिलोंग करती है. सो इफ़ आई से दैट बुक इज़ माइन, वो बुक मेरी है, तो पोजेशन तो इससे भी पता चल रहा है. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दैट पोजेसिव प्रोनाउंस में जब पोजेशन हम शो कर रहे हैं तो इनके बाद कोई नाउन नहीं आएगा. देयर विल बी नो नाउन आफ्टर दीज वर्ड्स. सो हैव अ लुक अगेन. माई चेंजेस टू माइन, your changes to yours, his changes to his. So his, actually his में कोई change नहीं हो रहा. Her changes to hers, our changes to ours, and their changes to theirs. Alright. So possessive pronouns भी हमें possession के बारे में ही बताते हैं. They tell us who the owner is. चीज़ किसको belong करती है. But the thing is that कुछ conversion आ जाती है. My से mine, your से yours. इस तरह से the words get converted into possessive pronouns and there is no noun after the pronouns. इन pronouns के बाद कोई noun नहीं आता है sentence में. Therefore, the pronouns that show possession are called possessive pronouns, right? ऐसे pronouns जो हमें बताते हैं कि कोई चीज़ किसको belong करती है, किसकी है वो चीज़, those pronouns are called possessive pronouns and they are not followed by nouns. इनके आगे कोई noun नहीं होता. All right. Moving on, we have exercise number 1. It is from your chapter itself. So fill in the blanks with suitable possessive pronouns. आपको ये blanks जो है possessive pronouns के साथ fill करनी है. So just remember that हमने कैसे conversion किया था from my to mine, her to hers, his ही रहेगा, theirs इस तरह से. Okay, let's have a look. I own that car. That car is mine. I own that car. Own means owner होना. मैं उसकी मालकिन हूँ, मैं उसका मालिक हूँ. Like this. I own that car. That car is mine. इसलिए वो कार मेरी है. तो यहाँ पे मैंने my नहीं लिखा. I wrote mine. That car is my. सुनने में भी आपको अजीब लग रहा है ना. That car is my. So my is not the right word to be mentioned here. My तभी आएगा जब उसके आगे कोई noun होगा. For example, my car. This is my car. That would be correct. But that car is my. This is not correct. So the correct word to be used is that car is mine. Number 2. You own that car. So you से क्या बनेगा? That car is yours. We own that car. That car is ours. वो हमारी कार है. He owns that car. That car is his. She owns that car. That car is hers. They own that car. That car is theirs. So you can learn from here that I or my changes to mine, you changes to yours, we changes to ours, he changes to his, she changes to hers, and they changes to theirs, right? Moving on, there is a table of pronouns. This table you also have to draw in your notebooks because this is very helpful for you. You'll be able to understand the whole concept about pronouns through this table. All right. So firstly, you can see the different persons which we have in English grammar, that is first person, second person, and the third person. And we had already discussed about these persons. Now, when we talk about pronouns as subjects, subject means वो जो action करता है, the person who does an action. Okay, तो first person कौन होता है? Singular I, plural we. Second person singular you, and second person plural also is you. Third person singular he, she, it, and third person plural is they. Okay, so different subjects are I, we, you, he, she, it, they. All right, so ये हमारे persons हैं, singular and plural इसमें दोनों ही लिख दिए मैंने. Next is pronouns as objects. As object means जब pronouns action को receive करते हैं. Those pronouns who receive the action. ऐसे pronouns जो कि action को receive करते हैं. All right, so first person will be me और us. I से बन जाएगा me और we से बन जाएगा us. कैसे होगा? If I talk about the first pronoun as an object like me, okay, so if I say they want to hit me, वो मुझे मारना चाहते हैं. They want to hit me. एक्शन किस पे होगा, किस पे असर पड़ेगा? मुझ पे. That is why me is the object here. Alright. उसी तरह से us. They want to hit us. तो एक्शन हम पे होगा, तो यहाँ पर pronoun as an object है us. Similarly, second person. They want to hit you. वो तुम्हें मारना चाहते हैं. So here you will be the object who will receive the action. Then is third person. They want to hit him, they want to hit her, they want to hit them, they want to hit it. Okay, तो जिस पे भी action होता है, the person or the thing which receives the action, that is the object, that is pronoun which has been used as an object. All right, moving on, we have pronouns as possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means जो हमें बताते हैं कि owner कौन है. And this we had already discussed just in this presentation. First person, I, me से क्या बनेगा? Mine. Okay. And then for the plural it will be ours. Second person में you से क्या बन जाएगा? Yours. From he it will turn out to be his. From she, hers. From they, theirs. Alright. So possessive case में pronouns कैसे होते हैं? Mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. Right? Okay, so don't get confused. The only thing which you need to understand is that possessive pronouns जो होते हैं वो कैसे हमने यूज़ करने हैं, how to use them. Okay, so please remember mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. These words have to be used while you are using the possessive pronouns. Now moving on, exercise number 2 is there. Here are two ways of saying the same thing. That means एक बात को कहने के दो तरीके भी हो सकते हैं, right? So just take a look at an example. This bicycle belongs to me, or this bicycle is mine. दोनों का मीनिंग तो सेम ही है. दिस बाईसाइकिल बिलोंग्स टू मी एंड दिस बाईसाइकिल इज़ माइन. दोनों का मीनिंग सेम ही है, बट द ओनली थिंग इज़ दैट हमने बात को थोड़ा सा चेंज करके कहा. इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वी यूज्ड मी, जो कि एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट यूज़ हुआ. प्रोनाउन वाज यूज्ड एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट. बट इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस दिस बाईसाइकिल इज़ माइन. माइन कौन सा प्रोनाउन है? पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन. दिस इज़ द ओनली डिफरेंस. हमने यूज़ प्रोनाउंस ही किए मी और माइन, लेकिन इनकी फॉर्म्स अलग थी. इन द सेकेंड सेंटेंस माइन इज़ पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन, बट इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस मी जो है वो हमने एज एन ऑब्जेक्ट यूज़ किया. ओके, सो जस्ट हैव अ लुक. बाईसाइकिल इज़ द नाउन हियर. बाईसाइकिल नाउन है, तो मी, माइन या माइन जो भी है, बाईसाइकिल के पहले तो कुछ नहीं ना आया, राइट? क्योंकि अगर बाईसाइकिल से पहले कुछ आता कि किसकी चीज़ है, माई बाईसाइकिल, दिस इज़ माई बाईसाइकिल, तो फिर माई बाईसाइकिल जब आता देन माई वुड हैव बीन पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव, क्योंकि माई के बाद बाईसाइकिल, दैट मीन्स माई के बाद नाउन, तो वो हमारा पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव होता. बट हेयर बाईसाइकिल से पहले तो कुछ भी नहीं है, माई वगैरह कुछ भी नहीं है, नथिंग इज देयर. दैट इज़ वाई यहाँ पर मी और माइन जो है वी हैव यूज देम एज pronouns. Okay, so now rewrite the sentences using possessive pronouns. अब आपने क्या करना है? You have to write these sentences using possessive pronouns. Possessive pronouns means mine, ours, theirs, hers, his, yours. All right, the first sentence, those shoes belong to him. Okay, those shoes belong to him. So as you can see, इसमें हमने him यूज़ किया है. सो दैट मीन्स इट इज़ अ बॉय. एक लड़का है जिसके शूज़ ये हैं, दोज शूज़ बिलोंग टू हिम. सो अगर लड़का है तो दैट मीन्स वी कैन यूज़ हिज. सो व्हाट कैन बी द आंसर? दोज शूज़ आर हिज. तो हमने बिलोंग टू की बजाय possessive केस जब यूज़ किया ही का, सो इट बिकेम हिज. दोज शूज़ आर हिज. ओके. Second sentence. These gloves belong to her. So simply just change from her to hers. Her से hers में convert हो जाएगा और belong to को हम remove कर देंगे. Those gloves are hers. अब कैसे पता चलेगा is, am, are क्या यूज़ करना है? Right? are यूज़ किया because gloves की बात हो रही थी, ज़्यादा gloves है ना, that is why. That picture belongs to me. So what is the possessive case of me? Me का possessive case क्या होगा? Mine. So we have to remove belongs to. So the answer will be that picture. क्योंकि एक picture है तो is. That picture is mine. The third sentence, fourth sentence. Those frocks belong to you. You से yours बन जाएगा and we'll remove belong to. और क्योंकि फ्रॉक्स है तो हम आर यूज़ करेंगे. दोज फ्रॉक्स आर योर्स. नेक्स्ट, दिस हाउस बिलोंग्स टू अस. ओके, सो अस मीन्स हमें बिलोंग करता है, हमारा है. हमारा है मीन्स आवर्स. अस से हम कन्वर्ट करेंगे आवर्स में बाय रिमूविंग बिलोंग्स टू. एंड दिस हाउस, एक हाउस है, दैट इज वाई विल यूज इज. दिस हाउस इज ours. So this is the way you have to attempt exercise number 2. I have not done all the questions. Rest 5 you'll have to do by yourselves in your books. Now, coming to exercise number 3, write each of the following sentences in 2 different ways without changing their meaning as shown below. Okay, so in the last exercise what did we do? हमें एक way दिया हुआ था and we had to write the sentence in the another way. But now what are we supposed to do is that हमें possessive adjectives दिए हुए हैं, that is my doll. Okay, so possessive adjectives हमें दिए हुए हैं and we have to rewrite this sentence using pronouns. Okay, तो pronoun use करेंगे तो हम क्या करेंगे? Either we can use the case with the possessive pronoun and हम belongs to भी use करेंगे. Okay, possessive adjective हमें दिया हुआ है लेकिन हमने 2 sentences बनाने हैं which will be by using the pronouns only. उसमें सिर्फ pronouns होने चाहिए. So how to do this? That is my doll को हम और क्या कह सकते हैं? That doll is mine. This is possessive case. That doll belongs to me. तो ये कौन सा है? हमने pronoun को as an object use किया. Okay, तो यही करना है आपको. First sentence हमारा possessive pronoun हो सकता है and then in the second sentence we can use pronoun as an object. So second one, this is our house. So this house is ours and this house belongs to us. Number 3, those are their toys. Their toys, so there से हम theirs बना देंगे. Those toys are theirs and हम belongs to भी use करेंगे. So those toys belong to them. Those toys belong to them. Right? So with singular we'll use belongs and with plural we'll use belong. Moving on, these are her flowers. So her से possessive case क्या बनेगा? Hers. Right? These flowers are hers and the another way out is these flowers belong to her. All right, so again exercise number 3, this also you have to complete on your own. In your books the space is given. If you face any problem, any difficulty, just let me know. Thanks a lot.